Hey, it's Carlos from Core Global Financial. If you want to start seeing things deleted off your credit report within the first couple weeks, click the link below. And if you don't believe me, but listen to what these people had to say about our services.
Hello, my name's Lauren. I recently became a client of Core Global Financial. I signed up on October 26th. I can say within a matter of less than a week, as you can see, my TransUnion jumped up an additional 57 points. I'm still in shock, still in disbelief that they executed the way that they did and how aggressive they were and how they got on things.
Are you looking for the best outsourcing company in America? Well, guess what? I have one for you. Core Global Financial. Why? They give you fast results. They're very professional. All I can say is Core Global Financial is number one.
Hello, this is Jerry Bankston, and I got my credit taken care of by Tina. She did a really good job, and my score has gone up between, 110 to about 140.
And it says, "Hi Alvin, good news. Your credit score went up by at least 115 points and you moved up to a higher credit level." So I'm gonna click on it so I can show you guys how fast this happens. So as you can see, October 18th, I was at a 620. On the 19th, I'm at a 737.
Hey, now that you've gotten these testimonials from some very happy clients, just click the link below and someone from our team will get back with you. Have a great day. Goodbye.